class. This is a video on the relief, and the relief is you just presented the pain to the customer. So they might be feeling really down in the dumps right now. So you presented them with this pain. So if they're a business owner and your business is helping them to increase profitability through lowering cost and increasing automation of their production, if that's your business, then you want to point out the pain is that they're losing money because of inefficient processes or whatever else it might be if you're in that industry. So you're focusing on the pain. Now what you want to do in this part of the video, you want to create relief. So you want to say to the viewer, imagine what life would be like, what your business would be like, what your bottom line would look like if you could remove it from your life. So for instance, you want to use terms like what if or imagine if. So example would be, or you could say, another thing is, imagine if you could wake up every morning and feel great about yourself, about your body, and the way you look. That's great for a fitness coach. Imagine if you could get up in front of an audience without fear, without any kind of hesitation, and deliver an amazing performance so that you're effective and you're confident and you speak eloquently to get people to your side of thinking, whatever it might be. I'm just kind of going off the cuff here. So that would be good for a speaking coach. So you want to present a world to them by using terms like imagine if or close your eyes and think of this. So you brought the pain. Now you're going to say, you're going to create a world for them where they can visualize what their lives, their business would be like without that pain. Okay, so that's the relief. Now we're going to go to the next part. This is part 6, the solution. Now we haven't even talked about your solution yet to solve any of these problems. There's a good reason for that. You want them to experience the pain, what life would be like without the pain, and then you're going to talk about with your customer, you're going to bring the solution to them. So let's go to the next video on the solution.